Meaning of depressingly.
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 Depressingly. Depressingly is an adverb that describes something in a way that evokes sadness or despair. When we say something is depressingly, it usually implies that the result is not what we had hoped for or expected, and may even be disappointing or disheartening. For example, if we say it is depressingly evident that climate change is worsening, we mean that the evidence of climate change is overwhelmingly sad or depressing, given the impact it will have on our planet. In short, depressingly suggests a result that is bleak, gloomy, or discouraging.